In Tutorial 8, we'll be looking at the Notes feature on the Victor Reader Stream New Generation.
Another really nice feature of the Victor Reader Stream is the Notes capacity that it has. It has an audio recording feature. Now let me just show you where that spot is to record, because it's actually tucked away. Just on the right hand edge, up the top, you've got the microphone socket where you can plug in an external microphone, and then just below it, it's almost level with the with the side of the Victor Reader. There's a tiny button there, and when you press that, it starts the recording. Now, so it goes into the Notes folder. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to find the Notes folder.
Bookshelf, Notes, 25, Notes, 42.
And we're on the bookshelf there. It says Notes, okay, and it's in the bookshelf side of the Victor Reader. It's not on the Wi-Fi side, okay. Although you can use the recording capacity on the Wi-Fi, especially if you want to record things on the radio, which is very helpful. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to press the little button on the side, and it's going to start recording, and it'll prompt me to say starting recording, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to play it back to you. So here we go.
Start recording.
Hi, my name's Garry. Press the button again.
Stop recording. Note 44. Created.
Okay, so it's told me what note it is. Now if I push the play button, which is the rectangular button down the bottom, it's going to play that. It'll always play the last one recorded back. Hi, my name's Garry. There we go. Now, so that's nice and easy.
End of note.
End of note. Oh, now what am I going to do? I don't like that. That's not as good as I thought. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete it. And to delete a note, it's as easy as with all the other deletions that you do with the Victor Reader. Go up, press the number 3.
Delete note 44. Press the confirm key to confirm, or any other key to cancel.
And I'm going to press the confirm key.
Deleted.
There
Notes.
we go.
Note 1.
Just to let you know, the microphone for the recording of notes, the internal microphone is just above the go-to key and the Wi-Fi key. There's a little button to tell you that the Wi-Fi is going, and on the other side there's a tiny little hole, pinprick hole almost, where that's the microphone. So it's very small. You wouldn't really know it's there. You can plug an external microphone in as well. We use the Victor Readers when we go out on excursions, and that's what I've got recorded here. We went on an excursion with a group the other day to the city, and the students recorded their findings on the Victor Reader. Now what I'm going to do is record a note again, and I'm going to start the recording, pressing the button in, just in and out.
Start recording.
Okay, so I'm recording now. But if I was to forget what I wanted to say, and if I was recording something, I could push the play, stop, pause button, which will pause the recording. So I'm going to press that.
Pause recording.
And then I could just keep on speaking until I heard or gathered my thoughts or got to the next point in wherever I was going. And then I could press the button again.
Resume recording.
And we're resuming our recording, and if I want to stop the recording properly, turn it off, I press the button on the side again.
Stop recording. Note 44. Created.
Okay. Now, I've used my thumb to click that on and off, and sometimes it just needs a nice little firm little click in and out, not too hard. So if we want to listen to that one again, I just go down and push the play button again. So I'm recording now, but if I was to forget what I wanted to say, and if I was recording something, I could push the play, stop, pause button, which will pause the recording. So I'm going to press that, and we're resuming our recording. And there we go. A good example of how we were able to stop the recording. Okay, and I've stopped that as well. And I'm going to delete that again by pressing the number 3.
Delete note 44. Okay. Press the confirm key to confirm. Deleted. Notes. Okay. Note 1.
Now it's brought me back to note 1 here. I can navigate along all those notes by pressing the 4 or 6 key.
3,
3.
4.
Here we go. This is from our day out. I push the play stop button again.
5,
We're moving along the list, and as you move along it turns them on, each one. Okay, so that's how you can navigate through all the list of recordings and notes. Now the great thing with this is as well that you can copy these and go into the Victor Reader and see them. They'll be numbered, and then you can copy them off this. And this is something that hadn't been possible on the old one, or it was very difficult to be able to convert the file to another readable format. It saves it as an MP3, and then you can go and listen to it, or share it with a friend, or put it into another program so you can edit it. Just to remind people that when you do record people, first ask them whether they're okay with you recording them. Also, make sure that if you're going to share that information with other people, that you do share it with the knowledge that the other person who you've recorded would be happy for you to do so. Okay, it's a privilege that we're often given to be able to record people, and we don't want to be doing things to maybe reduce that opportunity if people were to misuse or abuse this responsibility.
For more videos in this series, please check out the SVRC website, svrc.vic.edu.au.